It is now Sunday. I'm going to go give the chickens. I'm going to give the chickens some food. I'm pooping in here. This garage. Yesterday, we went to like the barn, like a barn supply here, and we bought like these new egg cartons, and I think I left them at the store. Surprise, surprise. Because I don't have them here, and I remember I think I put them down on the counter. So to go drive back and get those. And y'all, this is just the hair when you wake up, okay? This is how you wake up. This is how I wake up. Get this out of my face. On my third eye. All that hippy dippy woo woo shit. That's me. Alright, let's get this oxtail in a bin. So I want to eat earlier today. It's just oxtail, okay?
Nice tail.
The first thing is to sear all of these on both sides. I have 7 pounds. Recipe called for 5, but I wasn't going to make 5 and then 2. So hopefully this fits in my cast iron pot over there. And we are done. Still has some room to dry, but I got tired of drying my hair. So whatever comes is what comes. All right, it's time to get the eggs. In my pink robe and all. 2, 3. Yeah, 36. Yeah. Ooh, mother load. No. Uh-oh. I just know people double take driving by this house. Like, yes, you did see a fairy in a pink robe with egg cartons. You already know?
I know. Trust me. I know good tail when I see it.
We're doing the onesie today. I'm just gonna do it. Coconut water, orange juice, I like a little lime. Salt. And a little hot water so it's not freezing. And then we'll make some eggs, eat some like berries, and that's really for like 2 eggs and then some berries. And that's really all I can eat before hot yoga. I am organizing a few things. One of them being a new faucet for the cabin. And so I'll need to go and measure to see if this even works. It says it's 24 inches wide, so 2 feet, 20 inches deep. It's a very small bathroom up there. And I'm also trying to get one for the main house at the property, because there's 2 bathrooms in there. I need a toilet, and that's it. So let's go before yoga. I should be leaving soon. That class is not a joke. She's like one of the hardest teachers. Yeah. Oh, got my certificate. (110) Yoga's alignment-based core vinyasa. Alignment is really, really important, y'all. A lot of yoga that we are being taught is like overstretched, not in alignment, overextending our back. And if you have lower back pain and you're going to yoga, I'm thinking that would help. If you are not aligning your core and your abs, it's actually making it worse. Just thought that, turn that in there. I'm gonna head back home and enjoy the rest of my day. Work, start this new book, Mind of My Mind. For like the last year, like end of last year, I would say like last 8 months, I've been on the Octavia Butler kick. I am on her first series, but the last series for me. I first read Lilith's Brood, or the Xenogenesis series. Then I read the Earthseed books first. I would start there. Then I read Lilith's Brood's series. So 2 books in the first series, 3 in the first, 4 in the one that I'm reading right now. Well, there's 5, but one of them is not in print anymore. And I'm like just wondering how bad I want to read it. Like they're like $200 a copy. Would I? Absolutely, just because I really like her and I want to see why she didn't like it and took it out of print. But yeah, that's what I'm reading right now. I'm also reading when I'm feeling like I want to like learn something. I'm also reading Psychedelics Explorer's Guide. That's been pretty fun. If you don't know, Plant Medicine's Away just led a retreat in April here locally and have one coming in July in Puerto Rico. Plant medicine, super excited. All organic meals, out in the sun, water, beach, horseback riding, a vibe, luxury. Use the code PLANT, all caps. I'll put the link in the bio for $500 off if you get a single room, but it's 10% off no matter what if you use that code. Yeah, gotta go. Bye. What? Inspector came and I'm gonna try and eavesdrop my way in. They gone. What up, chickens? Oh, they went all the way up. had to like, I'm assuming this is like code, you had to like put dirt over every, so what is it?
Well, we got to put dirt just to hold the pipe down so it's inspected.
Got it.
Yeah.
All right. Breakfast, whoa, these days. The cleaner is coming today at noon. I have a massage at noon. Hallelujah. It's, yeah. What do I have to do today? Just working. I get to work today on things that I enjoy. And I am going to go up to the cabin today to do some measurements for the bathroom. It's my favorite time of the year. Facebook Marketplace is popping during this time. Students are graduating, they're leaving, selling all their overpriced stuff that their parents got them, especially in this area. And then people do spring cleaning. Like, this is my chef's kiss. So more than likely I will outfit 90% of the renovations via Facebook Marketplace, just like my home. My previous rentals, that is my jam. That's the Airbnb course for you. That's it. I will also be doing a washer and dryer here. So here's the water line that they connected all the way down to the house. Hot, cold, pretty cool. I think that's exhaust, right? I think that's exhaust, I'm not sure. But yeah, I need to take measurements of all of this stuff in here. It will be a beautiful view once we're done with it. Let me show you what I'm looking at to buy. It's 16 by 16 by 32. And they have a white one for $135. So faucet, sink, has drawers, ceramic, it'll work. 44 by 34 for the cooking area. We'll need another central air thermostat situation. We'll definitely go with like a Google Home Sitch. And that is it for measurements. 34 by 44, I think that's what I said. 34 by 44. Okay, that is it.